Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share a trading strategy that's easy to use and free. This strategy works across all markets, like Forex and cryptocurrencies, and it's accessible to everyone. Before diving into the strategy details, I want to introduce you to Paul Tudor, a well-known trader who achieved great success by focusing on trading with the trend. His emphasis on momentum has inspired many traders, making his approach reliable and trusted. With insights from experts like Tudor, I'll show you how to apply this strategy effectively. I'll also show you a way to enhance this strategy. Many professional traders use similar methods because they add extra support, helping to achieve better results. Now let's talk about the tools we'll use in this strategy. This strategy uses 6 powerful indicators that work together to give you clear entry and exit points, as well as stop-loss advice. It also incorporates cloud moving averages, calculating 2 simple moving averages, one for high prices and another for low prices over a set time period. Additionally, the indicator includes momentum-based tools like the RSI, CMO, and MACD. What makes this indicator stand out is its alert system, which notifies you of a trend change, allowing you to adjust your strategy instantly. The nice thing is that it uses the best stop-loss indicator, ATR, risking 2% of your capital on every trade you take. The entry and exit lines are calculated based on the ATR, guiding you to optimal trading points. Profit levels are set at 1R, 2R, and 3R, which helps secure profits as the trend changes by gradually closing the position at these levels. You also have control over this. Alerts will notify you when the price reaches profit levels. The second indicator focuses on trend shifts by tracking when the MACD crosses the upper or lower bands. It also includes 50 and 200 period simple moving averages to increase accuracy. Now I will show you how to trade using the scalping indicator. Let's start the video. We will start by opening a 5-minute chart. Then, we'll search for the trend signals indicator in the search box. After that, we'll adjust some settings. Set the ATR length to 10. Set the cloud moving average to 6. Set the stop loss to 0.05. Next, we'll search for the easy entry exit trend indicator. After that, we'll make some adjustments. Set BB to 4. Set fast length to 14. Set slow length to 20 set. Signal length to 10. Then, go to Style and hide the upper band, lower band, zero line and fill. Now let's understand how Paul Tudor Jones trades by focusing on prevailing market trends and capitalizing on them, while managing risk and adapting to changing market conditions. He remains disciplined in identifying strong price movements and follows them until signs of weakness or a reversal in the trend appear. We'll search for the right asset, whether it's a currency or a stock, and we'll start by changing the time frame to 1 hour. After that, we'll hide the indicators to get a clear view of the trend. As you can see, this movement is sideways. Our task now is to identify whether the trend is moving up or down. We want to trade in a clear direction. This is a sideways movement, so we won't trade on this chart. We'll continue by looking for a stock or currency. As you can see, the trend is choppy, so we won't trade on this chart. We'll keep searching until we find the right chart. Let's check the New Zealand dollar. Here, we have a clear downtrend, not a choppy one. This chart is good for trading. Now let's look at the gold chart. As you can see, gold is also in a downtrend, not a choppy one. Now that we have chosen the appropriate currency, we will set the chart to a 5-minute time frame. Let's see how we apply these trading settings when the trend signals and easy entry indicators give us an entry signal. We got a buy signal from the trend signals indicator. When there is a matching buy signal from the easy entry indicator, here, the cloud moving averages changes color at the entry signal from red to blue. In this case, we will buy, and the stop loss will be below this red line. When the price reaches these lines, the profit will be taken gradually to get the most profit from the market. The price reached half of the target, and half of the profit was closed. The trade was secured in case the price goes against us, to get as much profit as possible from the trade. The price reached all the targets. We got a sell signal from the trend signals indicator, but it did not match with the easy entry indicator. The cloud moving averages did not change color to red, so in this case, we will not enter a sell trade. It is important to choose trades carefully and with matching signals. By ensuring the signals are in agreement, you can increase the accuracy of your trades and reduce the risk of false entries. Always look for confirmation between indicators before making a decision, as this alignment provides stronger validation for the trade setup. We got a buy signal from the trend signals indicator. Here, we have the second signal from the easy entry indicator. The cloud moving averages changed color from red to blue. In this case, we will buy, and the stop loss will be below this red line. The trade was closed at the second profit-taking level, and a counter-sell trade was taken. Here, the trend signals indicator gave us the first sell signal. We got the second signal from the easy entry indicator. The stop loss was set immediately above this line. The price reached the second target. We got a buy signal from the trend signals indicator, but it did not match with the easy entry indicator. In this case, we will not buy. To identify false signals, you will notice a lack of alignment between the two indicators. It is important for the easy entry signal to match, as this indicator relies on directional shifts by monitoring the timing of the MACD crossing the upper or lower bands. We got a sell signal from the trend signals indicator. When there is a matching signal with the easy entry indicator, in this case, we will sell, and the stop loss will be above this red line. The price reached all three targets. Remember, trading is all about precision and timing. By using these indicators together, you put yourself in the best position to make smart, confident decisions. Don't just watch the markets. Take charge and trade with clarity. Now it's your turn to put this strategy into action. and may your next trade be your best one yet.